What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video I show you some of the best GoodLock new features in OneUi 8.5, but after posting that video I realized something. I actually missed some of really important features, and not just small ones. Some of these are actually really useful. So in this video let's talk about those hidden features which I did not cover earlier, and trust me, you don't want to skip this one. So without further delay, let's get started. Okay, first let's talk about something which I missed in my last video, and honestly this is very useful feature. Just open GoodLock, then open Game Booster Plus plugin. Now here where things get really interesting. First, you can now control CPU and GPU performance, yes, as per game, which means you can choose how your game should run. If you want full performance, just set it to performance mode. If you want us to save a battery, then just switch to battery mode, or you can keep it just on balance. Simple as that. And the best part is this works for each game separately. I think this feature was here before, but they have improved this feature a lot in OneUi 8.5. Now here is the crazy part guys, and I think this is a completely new feature in OneUi 8.5 Game Booster Plus plugin, touch mapping. Yes, now you can use a controller even in games that don't support controller. You can map on-screen buttons directly to your controller keys, so you can press a button, it will work just like a touch screen. Which basically means you can turn almost any game into controller support game. And honestly, if you are into gaming, this is very useful feature. So yeah, this is something I missed in my last video, but definitely worth checking it out. Now next, let's talk about Home Up. Now in my previous video, I already show you some new features of Home Up, but there is one important thing which I missed. Just open GoodLock, go to Home Up, then tap on home screen, scroll down and open app icon settings. Now here you will notice something new. Now you can change app label colors. Yes guys, so now onward your app names don't have to look default anymore. You can actually customize how they look. You can change label text to any color, like you can use red color, yellow color, any other you can choose for the label, app label name. Okay, this is also a new feature in OneUi 8.5 Home Up plugin. I think you should definitely try this feature if you love customizing your phone. Again in Home Up plugin, just go back from here, and here you will also see an option called background blur control. You can turn this on and adjust how blurred looks on your home screen and app drawer screen. As you can see, if I go to app drawer, you can see the blur effect. You can adjust the blur effect. Okay, if you want 50%, 10%, or if you want completely blur background, you can adjust it. Okay, I think this is also a new feature which is added in OneUi 8.5 GoodLock Home Up plugin. You should try this also. It looks so much better, the blur effect, right? And also if you don't want the blur effect, just remove it. So yes guys, I missed this feature in my previous videos. So yeah, this is also a new feature which was added in Home Up plugin in OneUi 8.5. Now next, let's talk about LockStar. Now again, I already covered LockStar in my previous video, but there is a one small feature which I completely missed, and honestly, this is also a very useful feature to use. Okay, so just open a GoodLock, go to LockStar. Now here you can add a custom tags on your lock screen, and you can add anything, your name, a short message, even emergency info if you want. So even when your phone is locked, your information is always visible. And the best part is you can change the color of the fonts. You can move the fonts here and there, and also you can change the fonts like to italic to bold and so much more. Okay, so you can make your lock screen stylish with this new feature, and it blends really nicely with the lock screen, so it doesn't look out of the place. Okay, so this is also a new useful feature in OneUi 8.5 LockStar plugin, which you should try. Alright guys, now let's talk about the best plugin of GoodLock, which is obviously theme park. So Samsung has made a lot of changes and also added a lot of new features in OneUi 8.5 GoodLock theme park. So obviously just open GoodLock, go to theme park. Now in OneUi 8.5, Samsung actually improved this a lot. So they really improve a theme park plugin. First, the whole icon editing UI is redesigned, as you can see. Now everything is divided into sections like shape, effect and icon, as you can see over here. So it's much easier to customize everything step by step. Now inside effects you get a new option like emboss. This was not before, they have added in OneUi 8.5, which basically gives your icon a 3D type look. So you can do lot of customization with this. So what it does is like this emboss feature will give your icon a 3D look, as you can see over here, and you can change the color, etc., do a lot of things. Okay, and also they have added a new effect which they are calling a monochrome option. So you can create a clean minimal icon setup, and honestly this looks so much premium, really premium. Okay, using this monochrome option you can create a lot of your own customizable, what we call premium icons. So yes, you can see it looks so much better. So yeah, you can create your own minimalistic icon pack using this new monochrome option. I really liked it. And honestly, if you love customizing your phone, your icons, then you should immediately use this new feature. Okay. And also guys, in this new theme park update, they have improved the preview system also. Okay, so whatever changes you make, you can see exactly how it looks. So you can see it's now much bigger. So whatever changes you make, like while creating the icons, you can see it. Okay, there is a lot more space over here. And this was the previous UI, you can see. So they have definitely improved this preview system after this new theme park update. One more small change they have made in this update is, guys, now you can even bookmark your favorite themes. So you can quickly switch between them anytime. Like the favorite one will be at the front. Okay, you can easily switch. So this is also a small new feature which they have added in this GoodLock, new GoodLock in OneUi 8.5. So yeah guys, theme park is now way more powerful than before, and all these features are new added in OneUi 8.5 theme park. And I think you should immediately start using this customization which they have added in theme park. Okay. So yes guys, these are the features that I missed in my last video, and honestly some of them are actually very useful. What do you think guys? And guys, let me tell you, this is still not everything. There is some more hidden GoodLock features, new features left, which most people don't even know about, and honestly some of them are actually very interesting. So obviously I will cover it in part 3. Okay, there are few small hidden new feature but very useful feature which they have added in OneUi 8.5 GoodLock feature. If I tell that feature in this video will be very long, so that's why I'm gonna make a part 3, and it's a kind of a hidden features. Okay, you have to completely go into deep into GoodLock, then only you can find it. But yeah, I'm gonna make a part 3 also. So this is the part 2, and if you haven't watched the part 1, guys, go watch part 1, link will be in the description. And guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have a Samsung phone, do subscribe to this channel and wait for the part 3. Okay, thank you very much once again. Please subscribe and hype this video and like this video, and bye. Have a great day guys. Thank you.